Ever wondered what majestic creatures today's birds evolved from? Let's unfold the prehistoric pages of evolution. Myth: birds evolved from all dinosaurs. Fact: they're descendants of a specific group known as theropods. Archaeopteryx, the first bird, showcases both dinosaur and avian features, bridging the evolutionary gap magnificently. Birds' feathers evolved for flight. Fact: initially, they likely served for insulation or display, not flying. The transformation from dinosaur to bird involved complex changes in body structure, leading to the flying marvels we see today. Birds are living dinosaurs, the incredible survivors of the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event. Birds, the descendants of theropods, are a testament to nature's resilience and capacity for wonder through evolution.